Managica, turning management into magic.
Imagine a manager trying to do every single task alone, answering emails, managing employees, talking to clients, preparing reports. Can one person do everything efficiently? Absolutely not! That's where delegation of authority becomes important. Now, let's understand the concept of delegation of authority and why it is essential for effective management. Delegation of authority is the process by which a superior transfers a part of his authority to subordinates so that organizational work can be performed efficiently and effectively. Now, let's discuss the importance of delegation of authority and understand how it helps organizations achieve efficiency, teamwork, and better decision-making. Delegation helps managers share responsibilities with subordinates. As a result, managers can focus on important and strategic activities instead of handling every small task themselves. When authority is delegated, employees get an opportunity to make decisions and handle responsibilities. This improves their skills, confidence, and leadership abilities. Delegation allows decisions to be taken at different levels of management without waiting for approval from top managers every time. This saves time and increases efficiency. Work is distributed according to abilities and specialization. I handle the analysis.
I create the plan.
I develop the solution.
And I manage operations.
Employees feel trusted and valued when authority is delegated to them. This increases their motivation, morale, and job satisfaction. Delegation creates cooperation between managers and subordinates. Employees work together effectively, which improves teamwork and coordination within the organization. Delegation creates cooperation between managers and subordinates. Employees work together effectively, which improves teamwork and coordination within the organization. Now, let us explore the principles of delegation and understand their importance in effective management. These principles provide a framework for assigning authority and responsibility in an organized manner. First principle is principle of delegation by results expected. Managers should delegate authority according to the expected results or objectives. Employees must receive enough authority to achieve the assigned goals successfully. The second principle of delegation of authority is the scalar principle. It ensures a clear chain of command and smooth flow of authority throughout the organization. There should be a clear line of authority from top management to lower levels. Everyone should know who reports to whom in the organization. The third principle of delegation is the principle of unity of command. It states that an employee should receive instructions from only one superior. This helps avoid confusion and ensures clear accountability. When employees report to a single manager, they clearly understand their duties, priorities, and responsibilities. The fourth principle of delegation of authority is the principle of absoluteness of responsibility. Fifth principle of delegation of authority is principle of residual authority. Managers delegate only a part of their authority and keep the remaining authority with themselves for control and decision-making. The sixth principle to delegation of authority is exception principle.
What does that mean?
It means only significant deviations from rules are reported to me.
So routine matters are handled without you?
Routine decisions should be handled by subordinates, while only exceptional or major problems should be referred to higher authorities. The seventh principle to delegation of authority is principle of clarity of limits of delegation. The limits of authority and responsibility should be clearly defined so employees understand what they can and cannot do. The eighth principle of delegation to authority is principle of communication. Proper communication is necessary for successful delegation. Instructions, duties, and expectations should be clearly communicated to subordinates.
Managica, turning management into magic. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more management magic.